my car not starting? If your car does not crank over, there's a couple things you need to pay attention to. You could have a scenario where you go to start it and it sounds like a toy machine gun. Either very rapid, like brrr, or da 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 da. Okay, that is generally going to be a weak battery. Secondly, we can have a scenario where you turn it on, all your lights come on, everything. You go to start it, you kind of hear a thunk, and all your lights go out. One of the things you can do on that one is turn your headlights on, see if your headlights work, that sort of thing. That one, most often, is a connection at your battery that's weak. The third one is you either get a single click, 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 or you get nothing. Generally speaking, that one's going to be a starter.